Now you guys are probably wondering why I'm standing here in this kind of dark and loud corner in front of this mysterious and kind of odd looking door. But the reality is, guys, is that we have a secret, and it's right behind this door. But before we get too far into that, there's some things that we have to admit. So come along for the ride. We have to admit there's a couple of things that we've done throughout the Sew Yeah business that we're not too proud of. During the process of the business growing, we've stepped on some toes, ruffled some feathers, damaged quite a few sewing machines along the way. And all during this process, trying to keep the secret a secret and the secret sauce safe. But guys, we don't want to get into too many of those details. The biggest thing that you have to know is that everybody here has poured their blood, sweat, and tears into this business, trying to provide the best customer service experience with the highest quality fabrics, highest quality sewing machines, and overall the best experience possible. But it comes at a cost. Now, our journey really begins with customer service, who work tirelessly to provide you the best customer service possible. They share the same love and passion for this industry and expect the same high quality standards across the board as much as our customer does. And due to the hard work and dedication, the customer service that they provide is unparalleled to anyone else. But we also can't forget about all of our amazing support teams here at Sew Yeah. Between live sales, customer service, in-store interaction, event planning, kit preparing, cutting, packing, shipping, pre-cut making for the Vegas strips, all done here in-house. And did we miss anyone? Actually, yes. We have a dedicated sample making team. They make all the samples for all 3 locations in addition to all of our live sales. Long arm services, we cannot forget about those. All of our quilts are long armed here in-house, and we also offer the service to long arm your quilts as well, in addition to the repair team. The sewing machines are not going to fix themselves, so we have to have our repair team dedicated to making sure your machines run smoothly. Also, we cannot forget about the most important element of this, which is you guys, the customer. We love creating content for you guys and going live weekly on YouTube to bring you guys the best quality fabrics, best service possible, which has allowed us to build these amazing teams who share the same love and passion like we do. We just want to give you guys a huge shout out for making this all possible, because you really are the key to our industry. But with that said, we gotta see what's behind the door, so come follow me. Everyone's been wondering, let's open up the door and find out. As you can see, the secret's been in plain sight this whole time. It's you guys, the customer, that have been supporting us for the last many years that we are so appreciative of. Additionally, it's the hard work from the team. It's actually the loyalty of the team as well, and all the efforts that they're putting into this. This is not just the Sew Yeah family, as in me and my siblings crew. It's an entire entity of people who have done so much work over the last many years, and a huge shout out to them for doing that and bettering your guys' customer service. And with that, guys, we just want to thank you one last time. And down in the comment section, make sure you comment what your favorite part of Sew Yeah is, or if there's a potential problem, let us know. We love to solve our problems whenever we can. Just want one more shout out to you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.